I would like to describe about Manchester and Manchester encoding, which was first published in 1949, is a synchronized clock encoding technique used by the physical layer to encode the clock and data of synchronized bit stream. In these types of encoding, the data moves alter. I would like to show this by graph. And if this is the data transfer, and then if the data started from the lower high voltage, and then then it will move from the high voltage, and here and in Manchester types of encoding, data remain constant at low voltage, or means at 0. So it remain constant at 0. Then as I say, the data moves alternatively at the high voltage. So if it is high at initial, then it will get low after that. It means it goes down like this, and again it will move upward because there is another voltage after this. So we can say that the data will move alternately in the high voltage here. Then again down is there is one after this, and it's here. And as I say, and the data will remain neutral, or remain at 0 level at the lowest voltage, and it remains at 0 at the lowest voltage, and in this high voltage it will move upward, because you can see it is at the lowest in this before this one. So we have to move this data upward, and it's here. And finally there is 0, so it remains constant. This is the types of Manchester encoding. The data will move alter as it comes in high voltage, but in low voltage it remain constant or remain neutral. Okay. And then let's go to the second question. It's code division multiplexing. Code division multiplexing is the advanced technology which allow multi-user. It means many users can use these types of data to send same frequency at the same time. Many users can send a frequency, or can send a data with same frequency at the same time or simultaneously. This types of system is used in a GPS system of mobile. It means global positioning system is used by using this code division multiplexing. It is large capacity scalable, which is one of the advantages of this types of multiplexing. And if we talk about its disadvantage, it is quite complex. It is quite complex to encode with these types of technology. And now let's move to the third question. It's lossy versus lossless. This both are the types of the compression. We can compress a file either by lossless or by lossy, so that file will occupy less space. In lossless, when we uncompress the compressed file, the original data will return back, but in lossless, it will not return back. If it lost once, it will never return back. And lossless is cheaper than lossy. If we compare these two types financially, and JPG, MP3 are the two examples of lossy, whereas FLSC, round length, are the example of lossless. Here we can see this picture. If we compare these two pictures, we can clearly see that lossless is quite better than lossy. This is the file which is uncompressed after lossless, which looks better than lossy. So if we compare all overly, we can say that lossless is more beneficial than lossy. Thank you.